Hi, my name's Jo. I'm one half of Veg on the Ledge. Veg on the Ledge is an invention that me and my business partner came up with. We're just two mums. We came up with an idea to help children eat healthily. And it's a little toy, a bit like Elf on the Shelf, but it's called Veg on the Ledge, and he flies into your kitchen and his legs grow. So we had the idea, we knew how to write a book to go along with him, but that was all we knew. And then we heard about this course, and so we thought, let's get on this Ignition course, go and meet other like-minded people and try and pick a few brains to try and work out how to take this idea to market. And that's what we've done. In fact, it was just today that we've managed to get our prototype back from China. But again, that was just from the advice and from what we picked up from people that were also here on the course. They gave us ideas and also a lot of motivation, because we've had a few times where we weren't quite so sure it was actually going to work, and we'd put it back in its box and just left it for a little bit. So coming on this course has actually been a brilliant way to just keep us motivated and make us believe in ourselves and our product and what we can achieve, and that the world is actually out there for anybody to conquer with an idea. So I would thoroughly recommend this course to anybody. If you've got an idea, or you're starting a business, or even if you're halfway through a business but you're struggling, this is the place to be to succeed.